going on, guys? We are getting ready to head outside, go get a workout in today, and maybe go do some fun stuff afterwards, depending on how long the workout takes. So, pre-workout, I got it in the shaker cup. It is an RTD. I didn't have it cold, so I did throw an ice cube in, which is already melted. And I got 2 scoops of Moab grape flavor, the RTD. Total War is sour gummy bear, my favorite flavor. We're gonna go ahead and put Camden down underneath the sink. All right, loud noises. Enter workout. Got the big jug mix for that. I'm gonna do 1 scoop of Grunt EAA. One scoop of Cluster Bomb carb powder. Was your milk down there, dude? And then, just to get this in also, Tango. Tango's almost gone. There's like 2 scoops left. Tango is the recovery product. It's got creatine in it. Actually, you know what? That's about 1 scoop. We're just going to pour it in. I usually use this post-workout, but I'm probably going to eat post-workout and have a protein shake instead. Tango's empty. Got 1 thing of Moab empty. I'm trying to stay everything with the prep. Actually, I got a lot of Moab left of the second container, so I'm doing 2 scoops a day of that. All right, 2 minutes in, let's go. All right, so my goal for today's workout is to have completely no light on my face. What is going on here? Too much light behind me? All right, that's a little better. So I'm going to work on 3, maybe 4 of the events for the competition, which is now 13 days away. First is going to be Yoke. Then I'll do some farmers, some axle. Then I'm going to do out of the rack. And then maybe my keg. I have not touched my keg at all. It's actually nowhere near any of the weight of the lightest one at the competition. So I would just be practicing the movement with it, actually. So I'm actually not really excited about the keg whatsoever. That's why I haven't been practicing it. So just doing a comp to do a comp, I guess. So going to not go heavy anymore. Just practice the motions the last 2 weeks here and keep myself strong-ish, but not doing the actual full comp weight. So Yoke, I'll work up to, what do I got here? 600. Looks like the competition weight is 700. Farmers, I'll do, well, right around 200 per hand. And then overhead press, we'll probably do mid 200s for a few reps, for a few sets. And then if we get time, we'll mess around with the keg, but I do want to go do some other stuff today, so don't want to fully spend 3 hours out here doing stuff, but if I do, I do. But yeah, I need to mow my yard, and there's a event going on down the road that I might go hit up, so we'll see how that goes. What do you need that marker for?
Write his name on that one first.
Oh.
What? I was putting yours from the garage. Dude, come on!
Yeah. Good job.
Daddy, I want to use the other one. Let's see if I can. Oh yeah, Dad. Mom.
Watch your brother. Where is he?
In the garage.
Oh,
Yeah.
Hey, look what I just
you're such a smart neighbor.
Dad!
What, yeah?
That was the farthest stand everywhere. Why do you want people to see that? What does that say again?
Welcome to our porch.
Maybe you can put it right on the bottom of it.
Gotta figure out how to,
Maybe you can drill holes in it.
Go. Just bring it up like that. Deadlift it. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Quit moving your knees up to it. Up. Down. Up. Down. Don't bend your elbows. Up. Quit bending. Yeah, just like that. Bring it up to there. Down. Up. Down. Good job. Left. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up.
It's really heavy.
Down. Up.
Last one.
You didn't even lock that one out.
Back hurt.
oh yeah, I'm pretty sure that door, that video is closed. I'm not worried. The cat's nice. We ain't gonna bite her.
I was worried that hurt my knee. Mom.
Yeah, I'm getting the garage.
Really, don't chase it. Okay.
go.
After not eat though, I am going this way. I'm just like going.
All right, so Braylee, can you see? Braylee's back there. She's got her face painted yesterday at the pumpkin patch. We were heading down the road a little ways to a nature center, and they were having a nature day. You want your window down?
Yeah.
So we're gonna swing down there, see what's going on. They close in a little over an hour and a half, so
We'll have enough time to be there.
see what's going on. I don't know what all they're doing. So I'll record a little bit and it'll be in this video. So I only did Yoke and Farmers. I was planning on doing more, but I also wanted to go swing down to this today too. So literally only like 2 mile drive or so. Get in your seat, please.
I can't see when I'm.
You're buckled up. Well, we'll see more when we get there. Yeah, we'll see what they got going on over there. Turtle.
Turtle? I meant to say toad.
Oh.
This little turtle is falling down in the water, and it wanted to be in land. Ah! Ate both of these all up. Yeah, no.
Great horned owl. This night hunter flies silently, but it hoots carries away far. Listen for its migrating calls in the winter, later in its nest at various woods at the nature center. What is it, Bailey?
I don't know.
A squirrel. What's in there? Talks about different kinds of wood.
Look, there's a hole right there.
You got a beehive.
This one.
You got some birch bark. And this tells you about different kinds of wood.
Here's a nest.
Oh, yep, some bird nests.
Two.
A tree that was destroyed by a woodpecker. Oh, there's some beehives.
And there's
A big one right there, yeah. That's a hornet nest, actually. Some different foxes. Got a gray fox and a red fox. Big black bear. What's all in here? A little playroom. You want to keep looking around out here first?
Look at
What?
consumer.
What's in there? A little mouse?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's pretty cool.
Let's look around first. I'll do the hot button part later.
Let's go back this way.
This is just the end.
Oh, the bird viewing area. They got birds seat out. So you can watch different birds. So it shows you the migration of the birds. So they come all the way from down there.
Deer.
Mm-hmm.
There's that. There's somebody hunting.
Oh, I was recording that whole time.
There's a black bear.
Yeah.
Ooh, misters. Let's not do these ones.
Okay.
Because I don't really like doing them.
So for the snake.
It's not real. Oh, Gary? Dad, I think we did do these doors. Dad.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
Is there a snake in there?
Yeah. They're snaking like every single one.
Yeah, there's a snake in that one.
In this one? Yeah, there's snakes
Yep.
in every
Milk
one.
snake.
Milk snake?
Where's it at?
There's a frog in this one. Or a toad. Frog or a toad. Yeah, there's a frog or a toad in that one. There's a snake like in every single one. Except this one.
Oh, a garter snake.
There's something else in there.
Somewhere.
I'm going to this one. Ready? Go this way. Right here, Dad.
You're dark. Here's our shelter we started to build. Okay. Alright, Braylee. So we just got John driving around. There's a bunch of like old historical buildings. There's an old schoolhouse. There's a place where they make maple syrup. And an old log cabin. Homestead farm is what it's called. And it's right on a river. I didn't show that, but we will come out here in the future and do more stuff. It's right around the corner from us. We took a visit of the like study building, I believe it's called. They also have a preschool or kindergarten here, and lots of cool stuff. Looks like they're building a thing for an area to put your kayaks in right there. But we've done lots of stuff back here before. We took lots of pictures back here. We took our engagement pictures were done back here, right by the river, and building up in there. And then we also did Braylee's 1-year pictures up in here, and we did some family pictures. I don't remember how old Cam was. Maybe 6 months or something like that. Some neat little family pictures. There's trails all over the place through here that you could ride your bikes on. I'm driving slow actually behind some people that are riding their bikes right now. There's a guy jogging coming at me. A couple different play areas for kids, and there's a cool little neat little place to come hang out for a day. They actually had a big thing going on yesterday. I thought it was yesterday and today. Unfortunately, I was wrong. Waiting for some people to come through this gate. It's pretty narrow, but I think this is going to end our video today. What do you think, Bray? I think Braylee and I are going to build a fort sometime at home. Probably not today.
Maybe we'll start building it today.
Maybe we'll go scope out an area and look at it. I'm thinking, and our woods has got a decent little area where we can do something nice. So that will probably be some other videos coming out in the future of us building a little place at home for us to go and hang out in the woods. A series of videos, I guess. It'll probably take more than just one. So we're gonna head on out. I have not ate lunch and it's 3:30 right now, so we're gonna make our 2-mile drive home and eat. Maybe watch a little bit of football while I eat. Did you have fun, Braylee? Yes. She wanted to stay longer and do more stuff, but
I wanted to go here.
you wanted to go where? Oh, that's another day, another trip. So, all right, we will catch you guys later. As always, my friends, live big, eat big, and
Get back.
all right.